Today I will share how to make or generate AI hugging video like this for absolutely free. So let's start with it. So first we will be needing the photos to make the design. So I will come to photo AI or the photo.com. You will just search in Google photo AI and you will just visit the first link, which will be this one, and here you can either create your own design by using your own prompt and just select photography 4 from here, or the next option is go to community and just from here search for any type of image, because you can use any type of image from here because all of them are AI generated and you will not face any type of problem for using it. So as you can see, a lot of images are present here. Okay, so we can search more and more and we can use our images. So I have chosen 2 images for this example, and to use that I will be going to Canva, which is another website where I will just clear the background and make a same background, because many of you asked me in the previous video that why can't we make same background and use it, because with using 2 backgrounds it was a problem when the video is generated. Sometimes the backgrounds are not getting properly merged, so there is a problem. So I thought to share with you to make a proper same background. So I will go to apps here, and first you need to learn how to clear the background of the images. So I will use the free Canva app, which is clear background, and here I have chosen this image and I will click on remove background. So as you can see, the background is removed for the male portrait, and now I will go for the female portrait. So this is the female portrait. Now I will click on remove background for the same. So as you can see, the background is also removed for the female portrait. Now I will make the images bigger. So before that I will mark the halfway here, which is 640, and now I will just make the image bigger and just crop out the parts which are not required here. Okay, and I will also make this one bigger. Okay, and just place it right here, and as it is done here, now I will just crop out some parts so that I can just select the background from here, and I will just scroll all the way up to click on elements. Here I will write beach background, and I will go to photos, click on see all, and after that I will just scroll down to find this beach image, and I will just click it in here and right click to set image as background, and I will just uncrop the part which I have just cropped, and here the image is ready. And after that I will go to Hell UO AI. So you need to search Hell UO AI and you need to create a free account as I have created, and as you can see, this is the image which I will be using, and the prompt will be both of them hugging each other. So select the picture and then click 30, and your image will be created for a beautiful hugging video in just some time. So you need to have 4 to 5 minutes of time. You can use it in computer or as well as from mobile, and in both the cases you will get the similar result, which is also AI generated, and you can use it for absolutely free. So I hope you like this tutorial and you learned something out of it. So this is a educational purpose video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.